Hi everyone, it's Don from Crux Terminatus. I've just got a hold of some of these and I got them from W.H. Smith's in Bathgate in Scotland, and I know that you can't buy them in other places right now, so I apologise in advance for all the angry people who are going to say, oh, why can't I get one? It's not my decision, it's Games Workshop's for whatever reason. But this is Conquest Edition 1, and it comes with the 3 easy build Primaris Marines plus blue, gold and black pots of paint, and they are full. They are the full ones, and the starter brush and the 3 bases as well. The magazine itself is pretty cool if you're like into the artwork of 40k and such like, and there's a big A2 poster of ultramarine second company marine in it as well, which is really handy. Today is Wednesday the 14th, and the second issue Conquest with the Deathguard in it. You get what's it called? Deathgaurd Green, obviously, and 3 slaughter bases, 2 die, and some Deathguard goodness there. So there's the guy with the grenade launcher. Well, there's a picture of the Marines that you get in there. So yeah, it started off at $1.99, as you can see. It's now $4.99. Next week's issue is going to be $7.99, and they're all going to be the same. Next issue you get 3 Reavers, and then the next issue after that you get 5 Poxwalkers. So at $7.99, if you get a pot of paint every week, plus you get 5 or 6 miniatures, it's $7.99. It's well worth it. But this apparently runs to, the complete set of these is going to run to £630, and if you think what you could buy for £630, you know, you're probably going to buy yourself something nice from Forge World, I would imagine. But for $1.99 or $4.99 for this second edition, what am I trying to say, second issue, then I still think that's a pretty decent value. So I hope you like it. If you want me to open up anything, I can do. This comes with a playing mat. This is what this is. It's the same playing mat as you get for the Wii expansion set, and it's all about just painting and stuff, and the history of the Deathguard and all that kind of stuff inside. Okay, so hopefully that was useful, and cheers, bye bye.